All right, y'all, we're gonna see how bad this thing rubs. We're rolling. Ooh. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. Today, I have some truck content for you all. As you can see here, we got some wheels. We busted a mission late last night to go out to Fairfield. Some guy had posted these up on Facebook Marketplace, and it was a deal that I could not pass up. So I finally got some like legit aftermarket wheels for the truck. I don't know if they're gonna fit. They're on 35s right now. I didn't realize the tires I had on here were like 34s. So I'm gonna put those tires on these, see if I can get them to mount up, and see if I can get them to fit properly without too much rubbing. I mean, I've cut up most of the bumper, trimmed pretty much everything I could at this point. So we're just gonna put it on and see if it fits. They are like, what are they, 20 by 11.5, and like a minus 40 offset. So from the pictures I've seen of Dakotas running like a minus 40, minus 44, it pokes pretty good. So I'm really excited to show you all. But all right, I'm off to the tire shop, so hang tight. We made it. Check it out. Okay, let's check out this fitment before. Very stock, very OEM. Oof. Just for reference, these are the old like Ram, I think they're off of Longhorn. They're chrome originally, but they're like 20 by 9, offset like 19. So it's gonna be like a big difference, like a 60 millimeter difference in terms of offset, and then in terms of width, it's like 2.5 inches. So really excited to see this. All right, y'all, so quick update. I ended up going to a different tire shop. They were charging me, I think it was like $300 over at the shop down the street, and I was like, it's a little much for, you know, just dismounting and mounting. So I brought it down the street here, and the truck's getting worked on. All right, y'all, looks like the truck's pretty much done. Check that out. I really hope it turns. All right, y'all, we're gonna see how bad this thing rubs. Let's test it out. Pull the e-brake. Okay, rub. Okay. We're rolling. Okay. Not bad. Alrighty. Ooh. Okay, how bad is that rubbing? Not bad. Okay, I'll trim that. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, that needs to get trimmed. And then that'll for sure get trimmed. Okay. Good to know. That'll be fine though. This will be okay. Check out that poke, by the way. Alrighty. It's all worth it. Alright, this might need some trimming. Listen to this. Lol. Let's try going right. See what happens. Little trim. All right, so looks like that little trim I needed to do is turning out to be a little bit more than a little trim. It's cutting in the tire pretty good, and I don't want to keep doing that. So I'm just gonna start cutting stuff. I mean, I've already cut up a bunch of this truck, so I'll just keep on cutting and see where I land, I guess. Yeah, this looks pretty cuttable. I'll do that over here, probably cut a little bit back here, and see how much I rub. All right, cut that a little bit. Cut this a little bit. And for reference, let's look at the other side. Need to cut this more. Definitely need to cut that more. But okay, let me get my keys and see how it turns. All right, just for reference, I'm gonna have to trim a little bit here, possibly a tiny bit right here. I think it's hitting the hitting metal. So we'll see how that goes, but I'll trim this just so it stops catching. And up here, I'm just gonna take a little bit more off the top there. And I think we should be good on this side. Looks pretty solid, honestly. Can't complain. Yep, okay, it's clearing the plastic now, which is nice. Let's see. It's rubbing on the metal here just a tiny bit. Might have to take that down. But cool, that should be good. I'm just gonna cut off a little bit more on the front. All right, one more check. That's good. That's eh. Okay, let me do a full turn. Oh yeah, check out that clearance. Totally fine. This right here, I'll need to do something too, but we'll get to that. Okay, it looks like the saw died on me, so I'm gonna have to go charge it. See if that's enough clearance. We should probably cut it down. All right, just cut this. I'm meaning to cut that back there. I think it's a good idea. Let me see if I can get in there. Yep. I've been meaning to cut this. I think I'm gonna keep it going and spray paint it like black or something. Give it one less point to rub on, and I think we're gonna be good. But honestly, this is just a Sawzall blade. I think it's like a metal and wood blade, honestly. Like, I don't even have the full metal blade on here. We used the full metal blade to cut off the exhaust tip that was hanging off. So whatever this is, it's doing good. Shout out Milwaukee. All right, well that's cut. Let's see how much clearance this gives me. Okay, it's still catching a little bit, that's fine. I'll cut some more off, I guess. I'm done cutting. Check it out for some clearance. You know what? It's hitting a tiny bit on that corner. I bet if I just drive it enough, it'll buckle in. And that'll be a nice little treat for me. Okay, well, front's good, back's good. I'm excited to take this on drive. Quick update. So we're officially not rubbing on anything over here on the driver's side. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Yep. All of that metal's trimmed. We're good to go. So now, just gotta do it to the other side. All right, so I learned my lesson on the first one, and when I did the passenger side, I just went straight up. Oh, where is it? Yeah, straight up here. and then straight across. So I cut this outer piece that goes down to that bolt, and then I cut the inner piece. And I think we should be good. Honestly, I mean, there's a little bit more there I could trim pretty easily, just cut and finish that line. But I think we should be good. Oh, you know what? I mean, I guess I'm already here. Might as well. One sec. Okay. Always wear protection, kids. Ow. All right, final check to make sure things still turn how they're supposed to. Whew. Looking good. And my keys aren't in here. Look at all the carnage, by the way. Did some damage. Trim pieces everywhere. Oh yeah. Anyways, got the key. Okay, so that right there is full lock, no problem. Other side, no problem at all. Okay, solid. I might want to do the driver's side one more time. Okay, no, it's not catching. Cool. Well, we've successfully trimmed, and don't mind that, those are my tie rods. Kind of messed them up, but we've successfully trimmed everything we needed on this truck, and I'm so excited. Now I'm just gonna touch it up with some spray paint. But hey, I got some 20 by 11.5 -40 offset wheels to fit on this Dakota with barely just I think it's a 2.5 inch lift on the front. I used to have like a 3-inch lift, and yeah, for some reason when I was doing my when I was changing out the front struts, the shop told me that, like, I guess that lift wasn't compatible with the struts I got. So 2.5 it was, but it works. Everything looks good, and I'm done for the day. So I'm gonna go call it. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I had a lot of fun with this truck, and I keep having fun doing stuff to it. So if you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. But until next time, y'all, peace.